City managers have a lot on their plate. From managing public areas, to maintenance issues, to public safety concerns, there's a lot going on. Keeping a real-time pulse on the experiences of your city's residents and visitors can be challenging. City personnel are often unaware of issues as they happen and only become aware after an incident has occurred or someone gets hurt. With more people reluctant to download yet another app, reaching the correct department to report issues is becoming increasingly challenging. Feedback is here to give people a way to send designated city personnel actionable feedback about issues in real time. Designated city personnel will receive real-time notifications about the feedback. They can then immediately respond through the app or web portal and take care of the issue in real time. Feedback empowers people to alert you of all sorts of issues. Issues you can respond to in real time and issues you had no idea were issues at all. Your citizens would like to tell you something. Are you ready to listen and respond? Contact us to get started today.